The Namibia Economic Freedom Fighter says it will deliver on its promises once elected to power. Its election manifesto is inspired by contemporary socio-economic issues affecting the country, such as poverty, unemployment, and economic inequality. Hence their slogan, Economic Freedom in Our Lifetime. Addressing the gathering, Mpho Ramakatsa of the Economic Freedom Fighters in South Africa called his fellow freedom fighters in Namibia to maintain the principles and ideals that they stand for.
We have indicated that our relations, whether with NEF, whether with any other party in Africa or in the world, are going to be determined or based on principles. If NEF tomorrow decide to further the interest of the leadership of NEF or of certain people, we can't be associated with such organizations as EFF South African chapter.
Ramakatsa further said ruling parties in Africa see economic freedom fighters as a threat other than partners in democracy. Therefore, he said, the EFF of South Africa will stand ready to support fellow economic freedom fighters in Africa. Presidential candidate of NEF, Epaphras Mukwilongo, dedicated his party's manifesto to heroes and heroines of Namibia. Mukwilongo, however, stated that NEF believes the struggle is not complete without economic emancipation. He added that the party manifesto will change the status quo in Namibia.
The manifesto presents the aspiration of the working class and the poor and provide an alternative vision and is the solution for totally radical economic freedom for Namibians. The NEF is a mass-based organization which aspires to free the working class and poor of Namibia from poverty.
The NEF members also took a moment to celebrate their long-awaited certificate of registration from the Electoral Commission of Namibia, which was issued on the 9th of this month. Tangani Nangolo, NBC News, Windhoek.